Hello students, in this video we are going to do the practice of grammar. We all are familiar about the grammar, but first we will discuss about the articles, how to use articles. Use of articles. The indefinite articles a and an are called the indefinite articles. They are used only before the singular verbs. Uses of articles a. The article a is used any countable singular noun. Example, a dog, a lion, a cat, a boy. Second rule, the singular noun which has the pronunciation like consonant, it takes the article a. A book, a boy, a cow, a hill, a unit, a universe, etc. Number 3, the singular noun which shows the profession. A farmer, a tailor, a doctor, an engineer. Number 4, before the singular noun which shows groups. An elephant is a clever animal. A coconut tree is very useful. Number 5, before the number words or number groups words. A dozen, a century, a couple, 100 rupees. Number 6, with vowel letters having pronunciation like consonant. A university, a unit, a utility, a European, a unicorn, a useful article, a 1 rupee note, a one-man show. Next, uses of article an. The article an is used any countable singular noun. An apple, an elephant, an orange, an ox. Second, the singular noun which has the pronunciation like vowel, it takes the article an or with words beginning with vowel sounds. Example, an egg, an elephant, an ink bottle, an apple, etc. Number 3, the singular noun which begins with the consonant but has the pronunciation like vowel, it takes the article an or words beginning with silent h. An hour, an honest man, an honor, an hair, an hotel, an historical novel, an MA, an SSC, an MP. आपण an हे आर्टिकल व्हॉवेल साऊंड असेल तर यूज करतो, परंतु या ठिकाणी कॉन्सोनंट लेटर्सपासून वर्ड्स आहेत तरीही ॲन वापरले आहे, कारण त्याचा उच्चार म्हणजेच त्याचा प्रोनाऊन्सिएशन हा व्हॉवेलपासून होतो आहे. ॲन आर, ॲन ऑनेस्ट मॅन, ॲन ऑनर हे सर्व प्रोनाऊन्सिएशन जे आहे त्याचे हे व्हॉवेल्सपासून होत आहेत आणि म्हणून या ठिकाणी ॲन हे आर्टिकल यूज केलेले आहे. नेक्स्ट, द इनडेफिनेट आर्टिकल द. uses of article the. First, to denote a particular person or thing or one already mentioned. The chain you gave me is lost. I bring a bag. The bag is really heavy. We call a boy. The boy gives us information. Second, when a singular noun represents a whole class. Example, the king cobra is extremely poisonous. B, the cow is very useful animal. C, the earthworm helps the farmers. Number 3, with superlatives. He is the best student in our class. सुपरलेटिव्ह डिग्री जर असेल तर त्याच्यापूर्वीही दचा वापर केला जातो. द बेस्ट. दिस इज द डेन्सेस्ट फॉरेस्ट आय एव्हर सीन. Number 4, with names of rivers, seas, gulfs, groups of islands, mountains and newspapers, etc. The Gangas, the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Persian Gulf, etc. Number 5, before a proper noun only when it is qualified by an adjective. The immortal Shakespeare, the great Caesar, the great Maratha. Number 6, the is always used before names of certain books. The Ramayana, the Vedas, the Purans, the Mahabharata. Number 7. Before the ordinals, the first, the second, the third, etc. Number 8. To denote the side, the left, the right. Number 9. Before the word same, the same book is here, the same student, etc. Number 10. To give stress to the common name. This is the place where I want to go to get off. This is the man who brings the news. Here we have seen the uses of articles. Now let's see the examples of articles. First example, try and eat dash dash little now. The first option, the, a, and, no article. या ठिकाणी कोणते आर्टिकल येईल? ट्राय अँड ईट. बघा, ट्राय अँड ईट अ लिटिल नाव. वाय वी यूज ए? बिकॉज द वर्ड लिटल is an adjective, so we used article a. See the answer. Next example, have you ever seen dash dash crocodile? या ठिकाणी सुद्धा 4 ऑप्शन्स दिलेले आहेत. हॅव यू एव्हर सीन अ क्रोकोडाईल? आन्सर अ क्रोकोडाईल बिकॉज सिंग्युलर नाउन. सी द आन्सर. नेक्स्ट, म्युझिक हॅज डॅश डॅश इम्पॉर्टंट प्लेस इन आवर लाईव्स. सेकंड ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. अँड म्युझिक हॅज ॲन इम्पॉर्टंट प्लेस इन आवर lives because words beginning with vowel sound. Next, what dash dash beautiful scene? Answer, what a beautiful scene, because we used article a because beautiful is a adjective. Next, I visited shop to buy boots after 2 years. Option 3 is correct. The, I visited the shop to buy boots after 2 years because we are talking about the specific shop, so we use a definite article the. Next, New York is dash dash large city. Option, first option is correct. A, New York is a large city because large is a adjective. Next, Ram was dash best student in the class. बघा, option 3 is correct. The, Ram was the best student in the class. We used the because best is the superlative degree. Students, we have seen many examples of articles. Now let's see the examples of prepositions. Preposition means a word or phrase that is used before a noun or pronoun to show place, time, direction, etc. First example, a boy jumped dash dash the well. बघा, here is the 4 options: in, on, over, into. A boy jumped into the well. Why we used into? Because one of the main uses of the preposition into is to indicate movement toward the inside of a place. Second example, she was standing dash dash me, above, over, behind, at. Number 3 option is correct. Behind. She was standing behind me. Next, the children were going dash dash school, to, of, at, for. The children were going to school. To indicate, preposition to indicate direction. Next example, dash dash the end of your book you will find an index. At, first option is correct. At the end of your book you will find an index. Here at in preposition indicate place. He returned dash dash his neighbor. In, with, by, into. Second option, with is correct. He returned with his neighbor. With means च्या बरोबर. Students, now we are going to study the important topic tense. Last year we have studied the grammar topic tense, which is very important for our study. So I am explaining you a few examples of tense directly. Okay, see first example. Doctors dash dash do their best to cure the patients. Convert the following into present continuous tense. Convert the sentence into present continuous tense. बघा, present continuous tense. To express an action happening at the time of speaking with the adverb, such as now, at present, at this moment. Doctors are doing their best to cure the patients. Second example, I dash dash do my exercise. डू हे या ठिकाणी वर्ब आहे, तर त्याचं प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअसमध्ये आपल्याला कन्व्हर्ट करायचं आहे. आय एम डुईंग माय एक्सरसाइज म्हणजे प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअसचा वापर आपण कधी करतो, जेव्हा एखादी ॲक्शन हॅपनिंग म्हणजे चालू असते अशा वेळेस आपण प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअसचा वापर करत असतो. सो द आन्सर इज आय एम डुईंग माय एक्सरसाइज. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल बघा, कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग इन टू पास्ट परफेक्ट टेन्स. सी, ही dash dash passed the exam but didn't join the post. Here is the four options: has passing, second have passed, number 3 had passed, and number 4 had passing. What is the correct answer? We have to convert the sentence into past perfect tense. Option 3 is correct. He had passed the exam but didn't join the post. The structure of the past perfect tense: subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Next example, dog dash dash bite him in the last month. Has bitten, have bit, has bitten, had bitten. We have to convert the sentence into past perfect tense. Means option 4 is correct. Dog had bitten him in the last month. See next example, I shall visit the book fair tomorrow. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे बघा, का दिलेल्या वाक्यातील काळ ओळखायचा आहे. आयडेंटिफाय द टेन्स इन द गिवन सेंटेन्स. आय शॅल विजिट द बुक फेअर टुमॉरो. Simple future tense. Second option is correct. Second, the earth moves round the sun. First, simple past, past perfect, simple present, past future perfect. Simple present tense, because to express general statement, the earth moves around the sun. Next example, Shravya is playing. Simple past, simple present, present continuous, past perfect. Option 3 is correct. Present continuous tense. Next, the train had left. First option is correct. Past perfect tense. Next, Shakespeare has written dramas appealing to all people of all ages. First option past perfect, second simple future, next simple present, and number 4 present perfect tense. Option number 4 is correct. Present perfect tense. Now let's see the examples of homophones. Question, fill in the blanks with there and their correctly. The words there and there are often confused and misused because they are homophones. There refers to a place, there. There refers to a place, and Their, Their, their means belonging to or associated with or a group of people. First example, they have forgotten dash bags. They have forgotten their bags. Their. First one is correct. Second example, dash is no soap in my bathroom. Could you send some up please? First Their, there, and second there. Second option is correct. There is no soap in my bathroom. Could you send some up please? कारण या ठिकाणी देअर THERE या ठिकाणी देअरनी प्लेस दाखवलेली आहे. Dash are several mistakes in this document. Second option is correct. There are several mistakes in this document because there here shows place. Next question. Choose the correct antonym of the given word. Unitary. First option divided, second integrated, and number 3 none of the above. Antonym शब्द आपल्याला शोधायचा आहे, विरुद्धार्थाचा शब्द. युनिटरी याच्या अपोजिट वर्ड आहे डिवायडेड. युनिटरी म्हणजे एकात्मिता. सेकंड हॅपी, अपोजिट वर्ड आहे सॅड. Students, in this video we have seen the different types of grammar topics which is important for our test. Okay, watch and listen the video carefully and write all the given examples in your notebook. Okay, thank you.